Last day at this apartment, last VIP session here. Last night was the last night that I stayed here.
Since it's only Monday, I ain't gonna look to force nothing.
We on the road right now.
Yeah, I'll just give you guys like a little background view. Like, look at the background.
After all the hard work, all the sleepless nights, all the L trades, all the videos that didn't get views.
Not an Airbnb view, not a rented view, not my parents' view, not a friend's view.
And then I can use that. I want to go to the kitchen. I want to have multiple $1,000,000 skill sets so I can ensure that I'm the most valuable person possible.
Because at the end of the day, there's no difference between me and you. I just did the work that you didn't. Oh man. Good morning, good morning. Monday morning, starts of the new week. We're about to be active with VIP in approximately 10 minutes, less than 10 minutes. Last day at this apartment, last VIP session here. Last night was the last night that I stayed here. End of an era. On to the next, on to the next. All the videos moving forward is gonna be at the new crib, the new setup, the new everything. Because right now, this crib is in shambles. And this is the most, this room is the one room that's actually done up the most. My room is cooked. Like y'all will see when I go trade with VIP, my room is cooked. I don't even got a room no more. It's just a whole bunch, it's a storage. We have a lot of moving to do. Gotta get the U-Haul at 12. Gotta go to the apartment at 11. Gotta trade with VIP at 9:30. Still gotta get everything out of here. But like I said yesterday, we still got time. Whole lot of shit to do, But nonetheless, let's get the day started. Let's start it off right. I'll miss you guys on the computer. Oh yeah. This is the office as of right now. I told you this shit is in shambles. But we got the laptop, we got Wi-Fi, we got the rest of this. I'm about to sit my ass for fucking trip, shit. About to sit my ass over here. About to get on this VIP call and see what we could do. I'm only gonna be on here for about an hour and a half. It's not gonna be a crazy long session. I'm just show up, see if we see anything. And if we do, we do. Hour and a half. So, yeah, we gonna see you on the charts. All right, let's get in this call. See what we could do. We got about 22 people active. Pretty going for that high though. What high is that? From the 19th, Thursday's high? I could definitely see us reaching for that high. Yeah, I'm about to pull out my phone just to see how this shit is, but it just turned 9:30, so I could miss it, but we about. Oh, that shit went down. I ain't miss shit. I'm good. Didn't miss nothing. Patience. It's only Monday. I ain't gonna look to force nothing, especially after that. High idea what it got cooking. Oh yeah, we just retraced to the 1 hour gap. And I feel it's the main thing. 30, I got faith in you. Just don't do some wick shit like you did that first time. I'll just charge that to the game since I didn't get in. I really did. Starting off Monday on some shit. Yeah, like the 1 hour gap at 10, I like it. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. But I like the 1 hour gap at 10 o'clock. I just want to target these lows considering we closed bearish for 9 o'clock. But we shall see. We'll see though, it ain't over till it's over. I'm down 50 bucks. It's on 30. They wildin'. All right, so, bro, I got cooked. I got fucking smacked. Smacked 2 times. So in reality, the last 3 trading days I've got cooked. I took 2 L days last week and I took another L day today. But guess what? Fuck it, I'm just enjoy the rest of the day. I'm not gonna let this kill my mood. I'm gonna move on to the next. I'm gonna look at this as a positive. I'm forced with the fact that I gotta deal with this losing trade and be disciplined to keep going and not overtrade and not be undisciplined, even when I have something good coming. It's just, look at the bright side of everything. I took an L, but guess what? I'm only human. I gotta do all this now, so the work begins. All right, we got a whole bunch of stuff down here that we're gonna take on the first trip. I can show my apartment now because I won't be living here no more, but the rust bucket.
It's a fat boy.
Almost there. Almost there. Got the keys. They got an animal relief area. Interesting. But yeah, got the keys and everything. Now I gotta go get this car, put it to the right floor. No cap. They got the little game area over here. That's not done yet. It'll be done soon though.
The alignment on this John fucked up. If I don't drive, bro, this shit goes sideways. I ain't gonna lie. Big dog truck. This shit husky. This shit husky. I can't even see out that mirror over there. That shit tough. See my car, means my girlfriend got here. Big old U-Haul. Copy, copy. Now it's time to start getting this shit full. It looks way smaller than what it looks like, it feels like from the inside. I ain't gonna lie. Huh. This reminds me of my UPS days. We about to head to the apartment. We got majority of this stuff out of here, but you can just look around your camera. Look
yeah,
around.
but the floor is
The floor
cooked.
is dirty, but they can't tell.
Cooked.
We just gotta get the, here, I'll walk around, but we just gotta get the mattress and stuff. We're not gonna keep that, the frame.
Headboard.
We're just gonna keep the mattress, so.
We've had those boxes forever.
I know. And then in here, the room is so big when there's nothing in here. Like when there's nothing in here, the room is huge. But when there's stuff in here, it's just significantly smaller. But it's all good. We about to be at the new crib. I think I showed a little bit. I think I recorded a little bit already. I'm not sure. This vlog is gonna be everywhere, but this is gonna be more just a real day in the life. Like the other ones be day in the life. This is a real day in the life.
Yo.
Oh yeah.
This is my Christmas blanket.
Yeah, we on the road right now. Let me put this over here. All my microphones about to die soon. Shit. Nonetheless, we about to be on the way to the apartment. Let the road trip begin. Let me hold this camera. And let me hope that all this shit in the back of the car doesn't fucking fall. And now my girlfriend brings my car with the doggies. So yeah. We got a lot of the stuff with us right now, so for the most part, we're about to have everything at the crib besides my desk, I have my desk in the back. I'm not gonna have my monitors yet, and we don't have the mattress, and we don't have the couches. So we 100% still have to come back because the main shit we need to be able to stay the night, a mattress, along with all of my monitors and everything, and the couches. So we gonna have to come back, but once we drop all this off, I gotta also go get my cousin. And yeah, he gonna help us get all this shit done. So let the work continue. I wouldn't even say begin. Let this shit continue. We about to be there, finally. Slowly but surely we here. Slowly but surely we here. It's official. I'm a downtown boy. It's a downtown. It's official. Alright, let it begin. It's hot as shit in here, bro. I don't think y'all understand how hot it is. Y'all gotta see my face. Bro, it's hot as shit. Hot as shit, bro. We gonna get it done though. We gonna get it done. We got a whole lot of shit in here. We gonna figure it out. We got an elevator over here. We got a dolly. Time to get her done. After a long day, we're back at the crib. The U-Haul is at the other apartment right now. But it's been a long ass day, I ain't gonna lie. Long ass day, and it's all just begun. We still gotta actually pack everything. These are the stairs.
I don't know where this should be so.
We about to figure this out real quick. I don't know. They got the G-Wagon over there. Corvette. They got the McLaren. This is the first supercar we've seen here so far. They got a McLaren. And it's the one that I have
I
on
like
the
the
thing.
color.
The black.
That's not black.
It's blackish. It might be.
That's like the same color as the one we seen before.
They got the Stingray C8. Not bad. Aw, dogs. Damn, you still got your Johns on? They didn't go?
They didn't do anything.
All right, right now, finally in the crib. It's a little dark in here right now, but the LEDs are coming soon. Yeah, I'll just give you guys like a little background view. Like, look at the background. This is the new background. You see this? All right, so this is what the rug looks like before. I got light so y'all can see it. We about to rearrange this a little bit. So, before, after. Pillows, and thumbtacks. Yeah, Walmart. One of the last stops of the day. Gotta get some stuff for the apartment. And then we get to relax in a couple hours. Not yet, but maybe a couple hours.
Now I got the after. So the room isn't 100% done yet. It's the next morning. I'm tired as shit. I'm still not done. I still gotta go right now to go get the couch and everything. And we made it. After all the hard work, all the sleepless nights, all the L trades, all the videos that didn't get views, all the days where I lost money, all the days where I sat at home with no view, doing the work I needed to do to get in this position, to have this room, to have this view. The grind isn't gonna stop. And I promise you guys, if I can do it, you can do it too. All it takes to get an apartment like this is making a couple thousand a month. And all you need to make a couple thousand a month is a process, a system that you can replicate with multiple skill sets, not just one. Trading's cool, but I want to be multi-skilled. I want to be as valuable as possible. I want to have multiple $1 million skill sets so I can ensure that I'm the most valuable person possible, that I can ensure that I'm going to have the best life possible.
So yeah, this is right now my room. You come out here. This is the living room and everything. This isn't done yet. We still got a lot to do out there, but I'm gonna show you guys my room for now. You come on in. You got my setup immediately. Setup isn't done yet. I still got to get my other monitor from the car. Got sound panels right here. I got my LEDs. Got that. Got my paintings. Gonna put my couch here when I get it from my crib. I got a new "The World Is Yours." Yeah. And then you come on over. Then it's the actual setup. Right now it's all messy and everything, but nonetheless, this is where the magic is gonna happen in our VIP call soon. Sound panels over there. Then you got the beautiful view.
Now time to leave the car and hop in old Big Bertha. I'll be back, car. I got work to do. Be active in the U-Haul, man. Just gotta get some gas, cause this shit is empty. And I'm not trying to run out of gas on the U-Haul, especially with the car down here. That'd be unfortunate.
Museum looking building. I got a class in there. That's where my class today is.
Did it fail, or is it just keep going?
There, and then I can use that or to the kitchen to come back.
I was just looking at this one over here. I wasn't gonna say anything, but that's looking a little crazy.
I might be able to fix it now that
That's a crazy corner right there. Hey, my fat girl. You gonna burp?
they're gonna be like, oh my god, he got it furnished.
No one's gonna say that, but you know.
Man, got me paying for gas, and I gotta get gas in my car. It's that, ew, this shit dirty. Transaction decline. Fuck you mean? Alright, guess we're going inside. My girlfriend got my car. I gotta put gas in that thing too. There it is. You never see my car getting driven, and when I do, it's a beautiful car. Beautiful car. I'm gonna put 20 on 8, and I'm gonna just grab a water. Yeah, it's a cool little mug. Get that for the Keurig. This is the Keurig I wanted, but I don't got the go. Do I have to go? Target run complete.
Do big things.
Got some Walmart, got some water, new LEDs. Man, we got some steak. I want some steak. Steak and that bird. And Halloween cookies. Final bit, we got the TV stand that we got from Target, and we also got the TV in here. Everything is about to be upstairs. Now it's time to put it all together, man. It's been a long last 2 days. Came to bring my dogs to the dog park right on Riverwalk by the apartment. Seems like they loving it. It was a little bit of a nice walk. It's hot as shit. I don't got the appropriate attire, but no pain, no gain. A little sweat ain't gonna kill you. But you guys gotta improve your life, man. Improve it for your family, your dogs, bro. My dogs can be able to play off the water with other dogs. No one's here right now, but bro, it's just you gotta improve the quality of life for everybody.
All right, so as you guys can see, we got a little bit of changes in the room. First of all, bro, I feel good again. I got a tank top, I got shorts on, I'm not sweating, I got the AC on.
and I got my setup. So as you guys see, this is gonna be the new backdrop. This is gonna be the new drop you see in the vlogs. You see that sign, the world is yours, the world is mine, the world is yours. Anything you want in this life, you can have. If you want a penthouse, you can have it. If you want a Lambo, you can have it. The cars are coming next. Trust, the cars are coming next. I got a nice little Benz right now. The cars are coming next. But I wanna show you guys the room. I want to show you where all the trades are going to be taking place. The VIP sessions are going to be taking place. The videos that are being edited. Besides this one, I've been editing it in the living room, but besides that, let me show you. First things first, we got the bathroom. We got the Scarface painting. Come on, Scarface. We got a little bit of Gucci toilet paper type shit. We got some Chanel paintings. Nothing crazy. I still got to get a shower curtain in. Okay, I need a shower rod too. Okay, I just peeped that. Got to get a shower rod and a curtain. Nice. But then we make our way over and we got the setup. So first things first, over here on the right, we still have the same futon. I kept the Miami paintings. I'm keeping these Miami paintings. I've had these since my first apartment and I'm keeping them. We have an addition. The world is fucking yours, bro. The world is yours right above Miami. And then if you know about Scarface, you know why this is even more key. Beautiful. Then we got the plants, the LEDs, the purple LED plants. I got a shirt over here inspired by the fear of being average. We got some commas and culture merch. Just my black hoodie. Nothing crazy. I got rid of a lot of clothes, but this is some of the clothes that I do still have. I got my Xbox and PS5 that I got to put away. I have sound panels right here. We have this wall, which is Cash Flow is King. This is a painting that I also have since my first apartment along with those. And then we have the actual setup over here. I just stepped in and kicked the shit out the PlayStation. But we have the setup over here. Right now it's not connected to anything. I did change it. It was originally sideways, but after being on the computer during the day, seeing how it was with the reflection, I think this makes more sense. And it just also hides the whole back side of it, so people don't really gotta see all of it. So yeah, I also got a little light here. Get a little light, give it a little light, give it a little light. So when I'm over here, I got a little backdrop, so it's a little warm. If I turn this off, I'm just using this for you guys to see. Oh, I just made it even warmer. Just like that. Like, look at that view with the background. Let me turn this off too. Okay, let me crouch a little bit. Look at that, bro. Look over there, bro. Don't mind those little wires. I did what I could. But this view is crazy. But this is just the office. This was just the office. Let me show you the rest of the crib. Another addition. I told you guys, wait for the LEDs, because once the LEDs come, we talking business. We got my laptop over here. I was editing. You got the dogs over here. I gotta add LEDs still in the kitchen. That is gonna be a mission for either tonight or tomorrow, but I wanna add LEDs under here also because it's very dark. It's dark as shit over there. That's the next priority. I have LEDs on the back of this. Why aren't you on? There we go. We got the LEDs behind the TV. The TV is gonna go in the other room, but I need to build the ceiling, not the ceiling. I gotta build the mount for it first. And then we got the couches. We got the couches in today. You got the corner over here. This painting is gonna go on this wall, so don't worry about it right now. And then yeah, we have the table so you can sit down and do whatever you do, but this view, bro. This view. This room is not done yet, and this is mainly gonna be what my girlfriend's decorating, so I'm not gonna show all that, bro. Look at this. Look at this view, man. I'm gonna take you guys to the balcony for this. Shit's amazing. This shit is amazing, and this is my view. My view. Not an Airbnb view, not a rented view, not my parents' view, not a friend's view. This is my fucking view, bro. I live here every day. I trade here, I edit here, I go to the gym here. I knew it was gonna happen. I'll be lying to you if I said I didn't know this was gonna happen. I'll be lying to you if I said I never thought I'd be in this position. Chase your fucking dreams, bro. Do the work. Because at the end of the day, there's no difference between me and you. I just did the work that you didn't. I stood up nights you didn't want to stay up. I followed my trading rules the days I didn't want to follow them. I went to the gym the days I didn't want to go. And guess what? I'm going to continue doing that every single day. Because that's the only way I'm going to improve. And that's the only way I'm going to go from this floor to a higher floor, to the top of that building. The sky's the limit. Don't stop grinding, stay humble, and always remember you're a student to the game. Stay safe, stay productive. If you want to learn how to trade, my trading concepts, my systems, the free trading course, the free trading webinars will teach you everything for completely free. And once you're actually ready to get education, get experience, and take trades that I take trades that the community takes, and join a community of like-minded traders, join VIP. And also, for the people that want to learn how to monetize your skill sets, get the Content to Cash program. Stay safe, and I'll see you guys for tomorrow's daily video.